Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to turn used materials into a beautiful handmade nameplate. With a little creativity and imagination, simple things can become something very special. Let's make a unique DIY nameplate together. In making the nameplate, I am going to use empty tape rolls, Fevicryl molded, Fevicol, artificial old flowers, scissors, little powder like talcum powder, and cardboard like cardboard out of the Amazon or any e-commerce platform boxes, and an MDF or a wooden board. Mix Fevicryl molded together like shown in this photo, white and brown, and make small strings out of it for lettering purpose. We will then paste the empty tape roll on a cardboard or any carton, and once it's dried up, we will cut it in the circular form. We will then fill this empty tape roll with thermocol in it. After that, we will cover the entire tape roll from outside with any color paper. Once the empty roll is ready, we are going to paste it on the nameplate. Once the roll is fixed firmly on the nameplate, we will paint the nameplate completely with acrylic paints. Here I have written Home Sweet Home with Fevicol on the nameplate, and now we'll be using the Fevicryl molded strings that we made a while ago by pasting on this Fevicol on the nameplate. Once we are done pasting the strings of Fevicryl molded the way we want on the nameplate, we will let it dry, and once it's dried, we will paint even those letters, and once even the paints are also dried up, we will varnish the entire frame and keep it aside for 24 hours to let it dry completely. Here I have used the empty tape roll as a vase, and I am going to fill it with the artificial flowers to give it a nice look. At the end, I have decorated the nameplate as well as the vase with chumkeys and small mirrors. And that's it, the nameplate is ready. Here is few of my works that I have done previously on the nameplates. Kindly watch the video till end. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Do let me know in the comment section as to which nameplate you have liked and which one you would try for your own home or gifting someone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my page on Facebook, and share this video to everybody you can. And kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep supporting me and to watch more such content. Thank you again and have a good day, everybody.